Hello and welcome to another video of LWBB, and today we are continuing with air pollution control, and today we are in emission sources, and there's another emission source, that is wastewater treatment plant emission source. So all refineries employ some form of wastewater treatment, so water effluents can safely be returned to the environment or reused in the refineries. The main component of atmospheric emission from wastewater treatment plant are fugitive VOC, volatile organic compounds, and dissolved gases that evaporates from the surface of the wastewater residing in open process drains, separators, and ponds. Next one is cooling tower emission source. Cooling tower are used extensively in refinery cooling water system to transfer waste heat from the cooling water to the atmosphere. Atmospheric emission from the cooling tower consists of fugitive VOCs and gases stripped from the cooling water as the air and water comes into contact. This contamination enters the cooling water system from leaking heat exchanger and condenser. Although the predominant contamination in cooling water are VOCs, dissolved gases such as H2S and ammonia, hydrogen sulfide and ammonia may also be found. Control of cooling tower emissions is accomplished by reducing contamination of cooling water through a proper maintenance of heat exchanger and condensers. The effectiveness of cooling tower controls is highly variable depending on refinery configuration and existing maintenance practices. So, order of refineries. The oil refineries and petrochemicals plants may generate large volume of odor from the processing and refinery of different fuels. Sulfides, mercaptans. What is mercaptans? Let's see. So, mercaptans, commonly referred to as thilos, are organosulfur molecules composed of carbon, hydrogen, and sulfur that are known for being a pungent odor similar to rotten cabbage and garlic. In nature, this compound can be found in living organisms as a waste product of metabolism and also in oil and gas. It is found in oil and gas. That's why the odor is usually it is used in detection purpose. First it is used for gas detection purpose. For example, natural gas, non-corrosive mercantile are added to it. Mercantile are the smell. So composed of carbon having pungent smell. They are added so that we can identify the gases. Sulfide, mercantile, and hydrocarbons compounds are all closely related to the oil industries. The odors generated from these industrial compounds are of a high nuisance value and generally create a concern among local air boards and the publics. Some typical refinery smells, their possible source, and the most probable compounds contributing to the odor are summarized in the table below. So table 1.9 is showing the most common odor causing compound found in refinery emission is given under here. Bad eggs. Again, types of bad egg. So source is crude storage and swear smell, distillation of gases, sulfur, removable flared stacks, effluent water, biological treatment plants, LPG odorizing, spent caustic loading and transfer, burnt oil. So it is catalytics, cracking unit, coking asphalt, boiling, and asphalt storage. Bond 12 जस्तो हुँदो रहेछ. Whereas in gasoline it is product storage, CPI and API separators. And aromatics are aromatics plants, naphtha reformers, and asphalt storage. Petrochemicals. Okay, the last one is petrochemical. Pollutant from petrochemical plant is given in table 1.10, and major air contamination emitted in fertilizer and other petroleum industries are in table 1.11. So what is the level order chemical threshold is given, and what type of smell it produces. So it might be useful if we are studying some petrochemical, or what kind of this wastage is it, pollutant from petrochemical. So combustion, but what kind of pollutant are being ejected, and major air contamination emitted in fertilizer and other chemicals. So emitted particulates, dots, okay, all this kind of wastes are being emitted. So standard level of air quality we'll do in another class. Thank you for watching. See you another video. Bye bye. Take care.